And what if I told you that companies are paying ordinary people to train artificial intelligence? Yes, it happens. You can literally make up to $100 in a week, in a day, depend on how far you walk. And these companies are hidden. People are not really talking about it, or maybe you have heard about it, but there are still some hidden companies that allow those in the West Africa to be able to access these sites and work remotely. And now let me tell you something, you don't really need any coding skill, you don't need an experience, you don't need any type of skill. You just need to be very, very high intelligence, like you are a graduate, you are a secondary school holder, anything that just stand you out and you know how to use basic tools. Now in some cases you can work directly from your phone, but in some other cases you have to use a PC or a desktop. And today I'm going to be showing you 4 legitimate AI tax platforms that people are using right now to earn money online and improving this AI system. Basically, what you are doing is just to educate this AI to be able to train them to think like humans and to work like humans, so they can be able to deliver their tasks like humans. Like the way ChatGPT is, it gives you all your responses like human, or it has a whole lot of knowledge. It is human being that is training these AI bots. Now artificial intelligence is growing very, very fast here in the whole world, especially in 2026. But there is something many people don't know. AI does not train itself, like I have said before. So before tools like ChatGPT can answer your questions correctly, thousands of human workers have reviewed data, label information, rate responses, and complete quality checks. Companies pay real money to do tax, and that is where these platforms come in. Now the first platform we are going to be talking about is the Outlier AI, and now let me walk you through how this works. So you are going to be clicking on Outlier AI. Now this is how the interface looks like. Then you can log in. Now you can see, I know I deliberately did this so you can see that my location is Nigeria and Outlier AI is not functioning in Nigeria. I know you know this update already. So those that are in outside country can still use Outlier AI. The task can include rating AI responses, writing prompts, fast check answers, evaluating AI performance. It does all this for you and it pays. Many contributors report that earning is significantly more than traditional survey website. Like if you are into survey, you know that Outlier AI pays more than surveys, because there are sometimes that many of these surveys do not even pay at all, and you will do a whole lot of surveys and most of the surveys do not even get approved, so you will earn very little at the end of the day. But Outlier AI will pay you a whole lot. So if you are not in Africa, Outlier AI can work for you. But stay with me, I'm going to be mentioning the platforms that work perfectly for Africans. Now the next platform is Alignerr AI. Alignerr focuses on AI training and data annotation. So it depends on your skill. You may work on language tasks, data labeling, AI evaluation, specialized projects. So if you have a little skill on data, you can really do this one. So one thing I like about this Alignerr is that they often test applicants and place them into projects based on performance. Yes, and the better your skill, the more opportunities you may receive. So at the end of the day, if you still go back and then get a skill in all these things, you will get more opportunities and you will receive more money doing this. Now the best one, which works for Africans, especially Nigerians, they have been complaining that Outlier AI do not work anymore and they need a tool, the best tool that will be able to work in Nigeria, especially in Africa, Ghana, Togo, that can pay them well, is Toloka. Toloka is a beginner-friendly AI platform which many tasks can be completed directly from your smartphone. That is the most interesting part I like about Toloka. You can do these tasks on your mobile phone, and examples include image labeling, research evaluation. Everybody can do research. everybody can do image labeling, everybody can do content moderation, because we are all content creators in 2026. There's nobody that will say that they are not a content creator in this new era right now. Data verification is just to verify if this data is okay or not, so everybody can do that. That is why I said in the beginning of my video that you don't really need a skill, and this is beginner friendly for Toloka too, so you can be able to do this right on your phone. And they pay per tax, which is usually smaller than some advanced platform like Outlier, but it is one of the easiest place to get started, and you can complete your tax easily. And they pay per PayPal, Stripe, or I think they use any other one, but majorly most of these AI tools use PayPal. But if you know that you have any other one, I think Stripe to work for them. So now the fourth one that works for Africa and works for the whole world also. Togla also works for Africa and work for the whole world. If you are in outside country too, you can download Togla. So it is no big deal. So Clickworker also works for African majorly. It works. Clickworker AI. Now you have to click on the website and then you perform. This platform has been around for many years, many years, and you can earn by completing micro tasks such as category information, data collection, AI training tasks, web research. And this is available in many countries, like I've said before, and can be a good way to experience working online. So imagine that you are into 2 or 3 of this platform as a person that is not doing anything at home, he doesn't have any job, and you are looking to earn your first $100. You can be able to get your first $100 to $1,000 within the next few months by being consistent in this. And before I go further, I will say that everybody experiences is different, everybody skills are different. I am not promising that you are going to make money instantly. This is not a quick rich get scheme. You have to work hard to get your money, just like YouTube and every other monetization platform. This is not a quick rich get scheme. Now, before you sign up, there's something you need to know. This platform does not guarantee full-time job. It is not a full-time job offer like you are going to be doing it every day for the rest of your life till you sign a contract. No, the tax always comes interchangeably. The tax comes in seasons and their availability changes. You might have tax today and might not have tax tomorrow. So just note that you have to be doing something majorly on the side that is giving you your monthly income. You don't have to depend on all this to give you your daily income. This is just a side hustle you can do with AI. Now, some weeks may have plenty of works while other weeks may be slow. Yes, so that's what I'm trying to say. And why I recommend signing up with multiple platforms is that instead of relying on only one, the more opportunities you have, the better your chances of earning consistently. So sign up to multiple platforms like I've said before, and in my next video I'm going to be showing you more AI platform that is going to earn you money and works for Africans also. So if Outlier has been disappointing you and you think that, oh, you cannot be able to register on Outlier, you are doing tax for people and they're paying you 1,000 naira per day, they are paying 1,000 naira per hour. I think I heard some people on TikTok, they pay them 1,000 naira per hour, and which is very slow because we consume data, we consume light and every other thing. So AI is the new entirely way for people to earn money online. So if you are thinking of how to earn money online and survey is not really working for you, there are some survey that works, there's a survey that are slow, you can look into AI tax. While this platform won't make everyone rich overnight, like I've said before, they can be a legitimate way to start pointing you into the right remote income opportunities. Which of this platform are you going to be trying first? I think I'm going to be trying the Toloka AI, which I know that many people have already put in reviews on that. And in my next video, I'm going to be sharing another AI tool you can use to make money. This one you have to require a skill. And if you want more video on AI opportunities, AI content, YouTube growth and monetization, kindly hit on the subscribe button. My name remain Blessing and I'll be seeing you in my next video.